Hey fellow editors, today I'm going to show exactly how to bring your green screen scenes to life. Would you like to see how it goes? Keep watching then. Go ahead and import your green screen footage and a fun background image that you like. Start by placing the background image on the timeline and then add your green screen footage on track 2 and match the green screen footage duration to the background image duration. Now it's time to remove that green background. Navigate to the AI tools in the settings column and turn on the chroma key feature. Just use the color picker tool to click on the green background and it will disappear like magic. If you need to make any tweaks, feel free to adjust the offset, tolerance, and edge thickness until everything looks just right. Now select the green screen footage and adjust the scale and position. And adjust the position of the subject. Alright, let's enhance the colors so that your subject blends beautifully with the background. First, head over to the Color tab. Scroll down until you reach the Color section. Here you can lower the temperature a bit and increase the vibrance and saturation for a little extra pop. Next, let's tackle the light settings. Reduce the exposure and brightness a touch, then boost the contrast. You can also lower the highlights and shadows while increasing the whites and decreasing the blacks. This will help harmonize the subject with the overall scene and lighting. Let's add a little flair to your background. Start by heading over to the Effects tab and then find New Blue Effects. In the Filters folder, you'll spot Soft Focus. Go ahead and apply that to your background image. Alright, we've reached the final step. Now let's add that cinematic touch with the Cinema 21:9 effect. Your footage will be all set to export. Also, if you wish to animate the whole scene with a scale keyframe, let's go ahead and render the whole scene so we can check out the preview together. And that's how easy it is to spice up your green screen footage in Filmora. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. And until I meet you in the next video, peace.